Hello, this is MUSKAN Purohit, 20NA10025. I've created 3 parts, one of which is this hexagonal vase, which I've created using hexagon, 3 sketches of hexagon at different heights of 50mm, 100mm and 150mm, after which I use the additive loft feature to get this unique shape, and I also added a thickness of 2mm, after which I use the mesh option. Next is the pen stand. I use the pad feature for both bottom and the top, and then I use the arrow feature to get these rectangular pieces along with the fillet feature, after which I use the cut option to cut these rectangular pieces from the body to get this shape. Then the vase using the revolution option, in which I also added a thickness of 3mm. After all this, I have used the Cura app for printing, and I set these printing settings, infill density to 20%, the printing temperatures, and the printing speed to 60mm per second, and then I sliced this to get the time and the grams, and then save to disk. I can also review how the processing will go similarly for the others. For example, when I slice this pen stand, it will take around 4 hours 25 minutes, and similarly for the vase using a valve. Thank you.